Are you looking forward to make that delicious, inviting, fluffy, soft donut? Then look nowhere but here. This was absolutely delicious and very easy to put together. If today is the first time here, my name is Lena. Welcome to my kitchen where I share easy recipes. And with this, you will love it. Please stay with me and let's make this together. I have my melted butter. So this was 4 tablespoons and I melted it. Now I have with me here my 1 cup of sugar. You can use any sugar of your choice, okay? Mix it very well and then we can proceed. We are on all social media platforms. The name is Exhibiting Mommy's Recipes. Please kindly follow us there for more videos. I'll go ahead and then add my eggs. You can just use any quantity of your choice and that should be okay. And not only that, use any quantity of your choice, okay? Talking about the recipe we are making today, you can increase or decrease the ingredients that we will be using. That is what I mean. Now mix it very well and then I'll go ahead and add the next egg. So I'll be adding it to it 1 by 1 or 2 at a time and then we proceed. That is what we'll be doing. So far we have added 5 eggs to the ingredients we mixed earlier. Now mix it very well and then we are good to go. I've added the next one as well, making 6 eggs. If you want to use only 2 eggs, you are good to go. You can do that. If you want to use 1 egg, it's okay. If you want to prepare this without egg, it is so good. And I will be sharing recipe with you that I made this without egg very soon. You will love it. So just do it according to your strength, according to what you have, okay? Yes. Now we are done mixing the egg as well, and the next ingredient we are going to add to this is our milk. With the milk, if you want to use evaporated milk, please be ensured that you dilute it with some water before you add it to that, or dilute it with your whole milk and you are good to go. Or don't dilute it, but just add it to it and then add any liquid that you have, being whole milk or water, and you are good to go, okay? So now after adding my milk, I am just going to add my flour. I will add the flour to it bit by bit. So with the milk, to be honest, I did not measure it, okay? Yes. I added 4 cups of all-purpose flour, but I'm going to add it bit by bit. With the milk, 1.5 or 2 cups should be okay. Yes. Now this is another batch of the flour I have added to my ingredients. With my flour, I added 1/2 tablespoon of baking powder. So in case you did not see me adding any baking powder, I have added it to my flour already, and I'll go ahead, mix it, add the next batch, mix everything till I am done mixing all the ingredients before I add any other ingredients, okay? Yeah. We are on all social media platforms. The name is Exhibiting Mommy's Recipes. Please, I'll be very happy if you follow us everywhere for more videos. If you've watched me till this point, it means you like the video. Can you please like the video for me? I will be very grateful. Thank you so much. When making your donut, you can just go ahead and then add any flavor of your choice. Okay, it can be vanilla, cinnamon, you can add your nutmeg, and that should be okay. But I will be using my vanilla. If you have been with me for some time, you know I love vanilla. So I had to put my hand in there to see the texture, if it is okay for me. Okay, yes. So if you want it soft, it depends on you, but I don't want it very, very soft, and I don't want it hard. I want it in between, and that is perfect. Now we are going to bake this. So whilst we are baking this, let's get back to the flavor again. I use vanilla, and if you want to use nutmeg, you can go ahead and do so. Sometimes I do use nutmeg and vanilla as well. When doing this, ensure you use maybe a spoon that is not metal. Okay, when I was doing this I didn't realize that too. Getting to the end of the preparation, I came to realization and I was like, hey, what if I get electrical shock? I quickly changed the spoon. Everybody is scared of death. That is just by the way. Life is precious, you know. So yeah, just be careful and then use your plastic spoon. Okay, so I'll fill everything, and when I'm done, I'll go ahead and then cover it perfectly, just like this, and then I'll open it after some few minutes and just look at that. Absolutely perfect and delicious. They look very good and very inviting. Let me know how you prepare yours in the comment section, and I'll be very grateful to learn from you. Merry Christmas in advance, and it is still not late to achieve whatever thing you wanted to achieve this year. Just continue working for it. I'll continue with the process till I am done with everything. Thank you so much. This is the last batch, and it was like it wasn't ready. Okay, so I covered it again, and now they are ready. So I will just go ahead and then remove everything. Just look at the softness. Very delicious, soft, and this will melt in your mouth. Yes. Thank you so much for watching. Till I come your way next time. See, you can't afford to miss the next upload. So stay with me and do not go anywhere. Let your bells be on for the next upload. Bye.